We've got a new accessory from Ulanzi, and this is their MagSafe phone holder accessory, like a camera trigger for your iPhone. Basically, it's got magnets on here and it magnetizes on there, so you can actually use your phone as a camera. So it's like got a camera grip, it's got a remote shutter which connects via Bluetooth, charges by USB-C. The thing I like about this is if you don't want to sort of charge this as it is, you can basically take that off, and this is the battery, so that is what it is, and you just take that off and charge it, and then it just sort of magnetizes on there, so you don't have to like keep the whole thing charging in a plug somewhere. It's got a cold shoe on here as well, so we can put a microphone if you want to, and then this has a mirror on the front, so you can use this for vlogging and see yourself in the screen. When you're using the main cameras, you obviously don't have a screen facing towards you, so you can put a little mirror there, and that helps you sort of frame up your scene. Okay, so vlogging with the iPhone is a great option. It really is, and this accessory helps you do that even better, because you've got that screen on the front, that mirror, which helps you actually make sure you're in frame, because a lot of the time when you're vlogging with an iPhone, you're sort of looking at the camera. It's hard when you're using the main camera, but if you've got that sort of mirror there, you can see you're in frame. That's really great. The setup is light. That's what I like about this. It's magnetized there, so it's not too heavy. You can sort of hold it out further with just this, like the 24mm lens on the iPhone. Let's switch over to the wide angle lens, which you can do whilst recording. So if you want to go wide angle like this, you can do. You can actually vlog with this wide angle lens. Make sure that everything's in frame. It's a little bit distorted, but I mean, wow, I mean, it looks really good. The good thing about when you connect this to your phone as well, it stays connected, so it remembers the fact that it's a Bluetooth device. All you do is hold down the shutter button for a few seconds, it flashes, and then it's connected. You can start recording by pressing the button. So this is a really good vlogging setup, and of course, if you want to go vertical, you can just swivel it around and go vertical as well for other social media platforms. But for vlogging, keep it like this sort of orientation. It's really great option. I'm using it with the Ulanzi tripod here, because you've got the 1/4 inch on the bottom as well, so if you want to use it with a tripod, you can. For vlogging, it's probably a little bit easier using it with a tripod, but if you're just sort of handheld doing some cinematic stuff with like a camera grip, then just use a camera grip on its own, facing forward, and you get some really nice smooth shots as well, because you've got more control over the camera with that big grip on it. So I think it's great for vlogging, great for capturing some like cinematic video with your iPhone, because these are really capable devices these days. They've got so good, and you know, you could run a YouTube channel with this iPhone, no problem at all. For darker scenarios like this, it's the only dark place I could find in the house, so I thought I'd do this. It actually has a magnetic key light, a ring light accessory as well, that magnetizes onto the back of it, and then we can just turn it on like so, and get some nice illuminated shots with this ring light. It's adjustable. You can change the Kelvin value, warmer or cooler light, and then it's really bright as well. This is sort of half, so it actually does a really good job of illuminating. There's only one drawback. I would recommend you using it with the selfie camera rather than the front-facing camera, because when you're using the front-facing camera and you've got that magnetic thing on there, with the wide-angle lens and the normal angle lens, you can actually see it in the shot a little bit. So it is just for the selfie camera to help with that little bit more of light if you're in a darker scenario. It's a great option. Get too old for this. This is the light I was talking about, the LM19, and this is specifically for this. It magnetizes on there like so, but I would recommend using it just for the selfie camera like that, so you got like a ring light above your phone. That it really does work very well. It's a good quality light, and the battery is very good, charges by USB-C, a great accessory, and the magnets are really strong. That is not coming off there. You can obviously rotate this as well on there for sort of vertical shots if you want to, so that's easy done. The magnets are very strong. The phone is not coming off there at all. It's very strong. You can also, if you don't want to use the magnets, or you're using a different phone, it's not just for iPhone, but it's got this sort of phone clip as well, so you can open the phone clip and put your phone. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Fits like so. So if you haven't got the iPhone and you want to use it with a phone mount, you can do. So no matter what phone you've got, it's compatible with that, and of course the light works as well on the front. I'm actually doing quite a lot of traveling this year, and I'm really considering taking this setup as like my travel companion, rather than taking, you know, like something like the Pocket 3 or an action camera, or I'm definitely not taking my big camera because it's just not practical for traveling. This is going to be in my pocket anyway, so why not use this as my sort of recording device, my vlogging device while I'm out and about and traveling, whatever I'm doing this year. So it you know, it's a legitimate option. But yeah, it's a great accessory. It feels nice. The grip's good. The shutter button works brilliantly. The battery life is great. And yeah, it's great quality accessory. So if you're somebody that uses your phone, or you're even thinking about using your phone for doing more recording this year, this would be a brilliant accessory for you. Okay, there will be a link in the description down below. That is an affiliate link that helps this channel grow if you do purchase for that link, but you don't have to. If I've got any discount codes or anything, I'll put them in the pinned comment and down below as well. Okay, that's it for this one. Make sure you check out this one. You might like that one, and you might like this video as well. Give me a sub. Appreciate it. See you soon. Bye, guys.